Ugh, let's get that voice call.
How do you want, bro?
We gotta do that thing, bro. We gotta do that thing. We gotta play Animal Company. Get your lazy ass out of bed.
No, bro.
You will get out of bed, or I will go to your house and make you get out of bed.
Whatever. I gotta fuck it
Yay! Hey guys, it's me, Invented. Can you stop looking at my? Hey guys, it's me, Invented. Today I'm joined by the special guest. Oh my god, I will kill you. Guys, it's me, Invented. Before we get to the video with me and my cousin, over 87.6% of you guys watching are not subscribed. That's 0.1% lower than last time, but that's still 0.1% that I don't like. We need it to be 0% of you guys watching not being subscribed. Alright, back to the video. Stop flicking my ass cheeks! You wouldn't like if I just dommed on your cheeks, would you?
Oh, I got a backpack, yo.
I have a big backpack.
Well, yeah, but you're not as cool as me. I got a backpack and I don't remember getting it. How about that one? How do you open it? You want a big backpack?
Oh, what the?
Oh!
What did you
I
do?
don't know what else in there. You didn't see nothing.
Is that a gun?
No, what?
I have a backpack that's...
having a
No,
gun?
no. Mikey, come here. Mikey, come here. I have something to show you. Let me just pull out this backpack real quick. Alright. Alright,
Oops,
Mikey,
I dropped that.
prepare to be amazed.
Oh my god.
I don't even remember why I have this stuff in this backpack.
Oh, I don't have any ammo in it. I'm pretty sure I stole all this.
Yo, why can't I
from,
use this as
from
like a
someone.
pogo stick? Look at this. Why is this so effective, bro? This is insanely effective. Look at this.
I know, I've seen this. Yeah, well, look-y a genius.
Loki, yes you are. Alright. Whatever you do not jump in the box.
What happens if I jump in the box?
You get
I wonder
teleported
if there's
to a
something
different
in the
dimension
stash.
and you have to like escape it.
Okay, how do I see my stash now? I don't know my password.
You just input random numbers.
Yeah, I did it. What's in here? I put my rocket launcher in there. Now it's not in there.
Is it not?
No. Buddy, are you in here? Rocket launcher.
No, did not do it. Did not go in.
I gotta find my rocket launcher. I'm stuck.
Well, he's gonna be fine.
You okay, buddy?
I should have listened to you.
This isn't a good idea. I'm stuck in the air.
Oh, you just swim like if you're in water. Let me go down there and help you. Where are you? Oh, there you are. I'm coming for you. You just fly into this thingy.
I'm free. I didn't find my RPG in there.
We're just gonna jump down, okay? Are you ready? Ooh, got it.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure there is one bullet in there.
I tried to shoot you. It didn't work.
Whee! Why did you make that noise? No. We're not. Don't look. Don't look. No, that's mine. That's mine. That's my grenade. That's mine. No.
Ow.
Give me my flashlight back, you little.
You can bounce it with the flashlight too.
What else can you do?
You
know-
my little dog.
What?
Okay.
I was gonna say you can pass that ass, but that's worse. Somehow worse.
I can eat the cheese. Are you gonna take your flashlight back?
Oh, did you drop it?
Well, I'm about to have it since you don't want it.
You little.
Here, take it. I don't want it.
Oh my.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It went down that way. What the?
Oh
Why
god.
that stinky
You've
aura?
activated the tag game mode. Oh no.
Hush, hush. Come here, Papa.
I think I'm safe. Oh. Ah! Oh god. No, you gave me the stink.
Go down the whirlpool!
I'm gonna tag you. What? The hell did I miss? I will get you, little boy.
Bro, where are you?
Over yonder.
I don't know where I am. I'm on a boat right now.
Oh god. Oh my god, you should see how close that was. Come here.
Hey, don't fall down the hole. There's something down here.
What in the world?
Are you okay now?
What the f is that? Oh, chat, there's only one more.
I don't know what that was. Something just screamed at me.
I'm sure he'll be fine.
I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Keep coming down there.
Ow!
Where are you? Ooh, mushroom.
Don't eat the mushroom.
Oh, what did that do?
You became big.
Am I bigger?
Yeah.
Can I grab you?
That was a blue mushroom. This one doesn't make you tiny.
Mikey, I'm dead.
What do you mean you're dead?
I'm coming to you. Hold on. I'm going to heaven.
What the? Why are you a ghost? Let me grab you. Is this red light, green light?
Stay still, stay still, stay still, stay still, stay still. You dumb mother.
I didn't move.
My backpack is jiggling intensely. Alright, guess I gotta respawn. I'll come back and save you. Don't worry.
Wait, when you come back and save me? Oh, where'd he go? Can I just swim then? I think I know what video you just referenced a minute ago.
For some reason, my recording stopped.
Oh, ew.
We're gonna have to use your POV if your recording's still active.
That's okay. What did you mean you want to save me, by the way?
What?
What do you mean you want to save me? Oh, you grabbing me?
Where's your body? Oh.
Here's your backpack.
That big old back.
I won't let you
Why
know.
does it seem so big?
You ate 2 tiny mushrooms. You became tiny. Oh, you're
Look at
perfect
this.
size.
What?
What? Oh God!
Where's my body? Where's my
Like
body?
Come here. I can't reach you. You're too out. You're too tired. Come here.
Where's my
Come back to
body?
your soul. But I'll put your side of you. I'll put your side of you. I don't get big again.
That's a good thing. You don't. Did you die too? Oh, then I have to plug in my headphones again. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, it's so hard plugging my headphones back in.
No, it's not.
Liar.
Oh, are you dead?
Been dead, yo.
Where are you?
Ow! Jerk.
I found my stuff. Thank God.
How'd that guy?
We can't keep doing this, Mikey.
I don't know how I just died.
I'll come back and get you. Don't worry.
That's if it doesn't make me respawn again. I really don't know what happened. All I did was try to grab the pile of nuts and I just got combusted.
I am coming for you.
Yeah, I don't know what really happened. I kind of just like, I stood there and tried to grab those nuts and I just died. Are you gonna save me again? I don't know what happened. I can save you, don't worry.
Where'd my stuff go? My stuff. My beautiful, magnificent stuff. Where'd it go?
I missed. No, chicken, get away!
Where's my stuff? Hey, the chicken ate my ass out.
It did what? Come here, the chicken's chasing me. I'm scared of him. Stop running!
I'll get the backpack with the gun in it.
I come get you. Did you want me to get you again?
Oh, no, he didn't. Where's his other stuff? Cause I'm really dying. I just don't know where he's going. There he goes. Oh. What's stuff over here? What is that? A bomb, I think. I'm not starving myself.
Yo, you still dead?
Guess who's back? Back again.
The vent is back.
Back. Oh, yeah, something like that.
Ow.
Ooh, mushroom.
You know what, I'm getting tired of this guy.
Whoa, he's tiny. Look at him.
And he's about to be dead. Oh.
Wanna beat him with a pipe?
Oh my god. Oh, I think I figured it out. I think I figured it out.
He's definitely dead now. I'll beat him over the head with a pipe.
I had my hands up and someone spit at me. Oh god! He ran through you.
We almost had it. That was huge, and I had a pipe. Come.
What's wrong with you?
I'm flying upwards! Evan's trying to take me! Tell the angels no! I don't want to leave my baby alone, or whatever Michael Jackson said! You're dumb.
I didn't move though, bro.
I'll come and save you, pretty boy. Where are you?
Oh. Where'd you go?
Shut up. I'm right here. Ow! Ow!
Stop coming up. Help me! How do I get down?
You just swim! Swim!
That's what I've been doing.
I can't take you seriously when you have a high voice effect. Nope. You respawned.
Really? Hey, what is
Ouch! Ouch. Ow, my eyes!
Yeah.
Where'd my backpack go?
Wait. Thank you, yeah.
Yo, my mom's not gonna use the money she gave me for DoorDash, yo.
Yo, that's awesome. I can't talk back, but that's awesome.
Sure as you can't respond to me because you're dead. I come save you, trust me.
You better come save me. I will absolutely eat your cheeks if you don't save me.
What?
Where are you at?
I'm going to heaven!
I know. I was wondering what you were referencing earlier, and I know what you're talking about.
Please, I'm over here! I'm over here!
Hey, you think I can move?
You dumb mother. You hit one of these tendril thingies and it just you. We're making zero progress. I'm coming to save you, don't worry. Right after I get my stuff back.
Oh, you can't hear me, you idiot. Oh, there you are, Papa. Yeah.
I will kill you.
There's something more important to me.
Yeah. Oh, just farted.
Ooh, do that again.
He wasn't too happy about that one.
Mikey, please. He's right here! He's right here! He's right
You're bad, bro.
Over here. This way? Right here. Yes.
I swear I heard a move.
Alright, let's go this way. I
I go
think
this way, and he goes this way.
no, bro. We no longer have a gun.
Why?
He blew up my gun.
What's right over here? There's another one? Ooh, gold. Can I sell this or something?
Yeah, we can sell it if we manage to get out of here alive.
Oh, there goes my stuff.
Where's my backpack? Where's my backpack go?
Oh, he's not friendly, okay?
What is that thing?
Ooh, ammo. I have a gun. Give me the ammo. Oh my god. Give me my gun. My eyes! Turn around.
Oh, that does hurt you. I shot you and I just see you stare me in the eye. Why can't I grab? There we go. You just stare me in the eyes. I'm like, oh, it doesn't hurt.
But then you just fall over. Is that ammo? Is that
What?
ammo?
Yeah, that's ammo. Where'd my backpack go? I can't find my backpack.
It just blew up a bunch of money.
I found my backpack.
Good
Ooh,
job.
mushroom.
Proud of you, Papa. Can't you break these boxes or am I crazy?
Yeah, you can break the boxes.
How do you break them?
Good question. I think you just. Yeah, like.
Oh!
Look. Mushroom eating shallot. It's like-
I can put ammo. I can put ammo in the crossbow, like actual ammo.
What was that?
It was an imposter.
It's imposter. Feel me, want to be spaghetti?
Was there funny or what?
Oh. Bro, Mikey's jokes are absolute buns.
I'll make my way back with no death.
With no deaths, he says. I'm gonna watch him die. Mary Poppins! Come here, friend. I can't hear you.
How'd you make it all the way back here?
I think I've got deaf. Why can't I hear you? No! Bro, just by the way, your joke was absolute buns, by the way.
You think so?
I don't think so, I know so.
That's mean. You didn't have to be so mean about it. You're mean. Please don't blind me again. Huh, that was a little more than blinding. I'd have to say.
Think so. I was a little more than blinding. I thought the bomb was just gonna blind me, and then I heard a bunch of smithereens.
Where's my backpack?
Ow, he's f***ing me!
Shotgun! Where's the, I have a shotgun. Did I get him?
No, you
No.
missed.
Both shots.
Ow! Ow!
Hey, where'd my backpack go?
Ah! did he kill you with 2 punches? I think he's dead.
What? I think so. Where'd my backpack go?
Ow! My eyes! Ow!
Oh, my backpack. Oh, no.
Does this hurt?
Ow! You little... Dude, I'm almost dead.
Oh, my bad. How do you see your HP? I don't know, I'll find my HP.
Please tell me that you're recording. Please tell me that you're recording.
I am. I threw that and you ran right when I was throwing it. Wait, can I
Mikey,
stick one more hand on the shotgun?
Huh?
Can I
Mikey,
put this in here?
do you think this mushroom is poisonous?
No?
Oh, I feel huge.
Not again! Okay. What does this thing need?
Oh, I just blew up the chicken.
I'm full HP now. I'm full HP. I can't find my backpack, by the way. My backpack's just missing.
Oh. How does this work?
Yeah, oh, that's how it works.
You little
Get some testing stuff on you.
Bum. I can't move. I'm stuck.
Why am I blind?
I'll go save you. Oh, little. Where'd you find me?
Uh-oh.
Your mom's gonna beat me, by the way. Let me shut up like 4 times. I'm gonna die.
Please. Please come save me. Please, I'm almost there. Please. Please come save me. It's gonna force me to respawn pretty soon. Please. Oh God!
I killed him. He's gone.
That was awesome. I think we need to be more concerned about finding a way out of here. That's my thing.
Hey, some guy with an eyeball stabbed me.
Where's your body?
Over this. You can see it. It says do the thingy. I never put my backpack by the
Bro, why
way.
are you cheeked up?
Thank you. I think you are the same. Who is this guy? Someone know this?
No.
Let me over here!
Oh God.
Is he dead?
Right there.
This is a chaotic recording, dude.
Are you still recording or no?
I'm still recording. I can see the red light.
I didn't record because you said it would cut off earlier.
Yeah, I resumed recording. Bro, why are you cheek spots whenever I'm reviving you? Making me act up. What's this? Oh! Hey, Mikey! Worth it. I used an RPG. I know you can't respond, but I used an RPG.
The box I opened had an RPG in it.
Oh, this guy's back. I thought he's dead.
Hey, there's a guy in there.
Oh, I can't save you.
That'd be funny if I could just kill his body.
My backpack, my stuff. I need to make sure it's still there. My endless need for things. Oh yeah, it's still here. I just saw that happen, by the way. Where'd he go? I saw that happen, by the way. Oh, I'm dead.
I saw that happen, by the way. I saw you just explode and die.
Don't come close!
What?
Okay, never mind, now you can come close.
It's okay. I can kill him.
Hey, look!
Oh, he's alive.
Not for long.
He's right there.
I'm gonna step back a little bit.
Is he still alive? Do you have
No.
a flashlight? Yeah, you do have a flashlight. Can you help me find the backpack? Ooh, rocket, here you go.
Sweet. Here, you can have my flashlight for a little bit. Put it down, Bubs.
Wait, let me find your, my backpack real fast. I want to see if it's over here for some reason. Oh, there's a gem here.
There's a what?
Oh, the crystal gems.
We
Or something
always
like that.
save
Oh,
the day.
I'm a larper.
That's not what lot means. That's not what lot means. Oh, say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Who's this guy? Ah! Dude, you just absolutely gunned him down.
Is he alive?
Nope, not anymore. Ow.
Is this a weapon?
Ow! I
Is this
saw.
a weapon I have? What is this?
I think that might be what. Ow! That hurt. Hey, Mike, you want to see something cool? Sure.
Say goodbye, mother.
Where's my
Where do
flashlight?
we go from here? Wait, we never found my backpack.
Ow! You hit me. I can. Oh, I'm almost dead. If you hit me one more time, I'm actually dead. Ah! You almost shot me. You look.
My bad. That was a bit-
You're lucky I don't have a rocket round. Oh, I found shotgun shells. Why are you?
I was just shooting over you. Oh my freaking eyes, yo.
Oh! I had so much fear I accidentally said your real name. We're gonna have to cut that out. I don't even think you can hear it. I couldn't even understand it.
Granted, I don't think it was intelligible, but...
Oh
Bro,
man.
like 2 nanometers. They meant me respawn.
Oh. Oh, my eyes. Woo! Oh my gosh, holy speed run.
Which one's you?
He's dead. Ow, my eyes!
Oh, we're gonna beat to death. Where'd you
Mikey, be careful with that, okay? Be very careful with that.
I never found my backpack.
You could just buy another one. They're like really cheap.
But I had something in there I wanted. I don't even remember what it was. Holy cow, double shot.
Holy cow! Holy cow! Oh, Mikey!
What's up? Oh, sweet. The candy did.
Say goodbye to your life.
I thought I just watched you die too.
That would've been funny if the knockback killed me.
Holy cow, that dude's mega. Who is this guy?
Oh my god!
Drop the other one because I got scared.
I think we're.
Oh, my eyes!
I just thought I watched you die. Oh, look, a big box. Grenade. Please tell me this is the exit. Oh, I think I found it. Mikey, I think I found the exit. Where are you?
Oh, sweet.
We can finally get onto everything that isn't underground. Oh, great. We have to do parkour.
There's more down here?
We have to do parkour.
Watch this. Easy work. Ow.
Easy work. Why is that so funny?
Yo, I made it out.
Easy work. I'm free.
Oh, no, I don't want to spend money. Screw that. How do I get research points?
By spending your little gold coins, check your watch and look under your nuts. How many do you have?
1.
What?
I have 1. But it says I need that to unlock the backpack. It's not working.
Oh, do you have one of these little purple thingies?
Yeah.
Oh, then you can unlock like some cool stuff. But here, let me buy you a backpack.
How does it work? It's not letting me unlock it.
Do you not have the backpack unlocked?
Uh-oh. What did I just buy? Uh-oh.
Come get your backpack. Oh,
What'd you do? Where's the
box is-
backpack at? Oh, you just gave me a tiny one. I wanted a big one.
I don't have the big one unlocked. I stole it from someone.
Oh. That's what I was trying to unlock.
Oh, you need 2 research points to unlock it.
What if I do this? What do I have to do if I pull this one?
Uh-oh. Oh, it ran out. Mikey, we gotta pull this. We gotta pull this toilet coal. Mikey, over here.
Pull the what?
We gotta flush this toilet.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm about to do something real fast. What are you doing?
I flushed the toilet.
What does it do?
It gives you stuff.
Why does it give you stuff again?
You dropped your backpack, by the way.
No, really? Oh, I did.
You have to put it behind your back. There you go.
What did it give me? I pulled it.
They gave you gold coins and stuff. You can only do that once.
Oh.
I
You
think
can hear it?
Yeah.
What is
I
this
think-
thingy?
Good question. I've always wanted to figure it out. It's an invention archive, whatever that means.
Pull the lever.
Okay, if you insist. I didn't put an item on the pad. Whoa, look, it's floating. Need at least 2 items gooped together. Bruh.
Wait, so you can invent stuff? Can I make a double rocket?
Oh, my recording just stopped. I moved my headset.
Bruh. Okay, let me see if I can make a double rocket.
You gonna make a double rocket?
It won't let me. I don't know how this works.
Me neither. Well, let's go through here.
Ow!
What did you do?
I just punched my door. Game's got me all hot and bothered.
What?
Hello? Booty.
Yo, why am I him?
Wait up, Mikey, I'm coming.
I was gonna say, where are you at?
I remember this area. It's changed a lot.
Never been in this area.
They used to have a parkour thing up there, but they got rid of it.
Why?
It was like limited time. That's why I got this sun hat.
Fun? You're alive? That's interesting. Who is that guy?
I don't know. It looks like a robot dog.
I lost my other rocket. I went missing.
Stop.
I'm trying to fly through there, okay? I lost my other rocket, but that's okay. I think it blew up on you. Oh, hey, how's it going? I saw like the entity from the bathrooms in the middle. The bacteria.
Oh, how did I do that? Where'd you go? Oh. Is there anything down there? Nope. Okay.
Get up. Oh!
There's no way.
There's no way what?
There's no way you just did that.
I'm just him, bro.
Ooh.
Protein shake, I told you. Toilet paper. That's not toilet paper, that's a mug.
More importantly,
No
ID
egg.
badge. I work here, actually. You need to leave. I work here. You don't work here. You need to get out.
I heard you guys work.
Because you pressed it twice.
What's the point of this room?
Good question. Oh, I lost you. Where'd you go?
I got it.
What? Where'd you go?
I found a disc.
Oh.
It was stuck in the thingy. Can I put it in here?
I think we could sell it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can we sell it to Fucci?
The what?
Can we sell it to Fucci?
Who's Fucci?
Enrico Fucci? Yo, this guy's never watched JoJo's. He doesn't know ball.
I do not know ball.
My head looks like a ball.
My balls look like balls.
Huh?
Do you know this guy?
Oh, my boyfriend looks like your dad.
Ah! Look at him, he's stuck behind the thing.
Is this a weapon?
No. Look, he's stuck behind the thing. Loser.
Nerd. Look at him over there.
Okay, I'm leaving you in this elevator. Goodbye.
No, you little
Don't come up here. Oh, I was gonna say I just got stuck in the elevator. You just may come back down.
I don't feel safe in here. This is like,
right?
this is some backroom type stuff, dude. Oh my god! Oh, that made me jump! Oh my god!
That made me jump so hard. That was you laughing and then you just jumped.
Oh my god!
Who is this guy? Oh, dude.
My body's stuck in him! He's taking my body places, bro! Get... Where's my body? Where's my body?
Why is this guy so scared, yo?
Good question, yo. Bro, I think this is a good place to end the episode.
I agree.
Alright, let's go respawn and end it.
Alright.
Thank you.
Bro.
That was actually really scary. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like that video, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Anything you want to say to the... Did you just slap my hair? Anything you want to say to the viewers? Nothing to
I
say?
got an ore farm.
This guy's...
You didn't see me, but I like looked up to the side where the camera was and like smirked.
Stop touching my... You are not nonchalant, dude. Alright. Oh, bye-bye!